This sums up kind of the differences between what you would be seeing if you thought about captioning into a stream where you're captioning the whole stream put together, into the video. In 2110 native, you have a virtualization-friendly solution, and the solution is, basically all on a server, and you're using about 1 megabit per second or less to put out all of the ancillary data per channel. If you want to have one continuous multicast stream to capture that always contains the captions for the channel, you're going to need to have something that works in series, more like a current SDI caption encoder that takes upstream data and is able to multiplex that with live data based on a set of business rules or a schedule, and is then able to put out a stream that represents the continuous captions for the whole program and for all of the programs inside the schedule. We're starting to see commercial adoption of this with, the existing captioning standards. For now, even with the existing ancillary-based solutions, you have a solution that is sensibly back compatible with gateways, and we have all of these advantages of moving away from something where we have to have SDI, just for specialty applications like a closed caption and subtitle encoding. Instead, it's going to all fit on the software stack of the other 2110 applications.